So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in MD second year in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. So this video is going to be a members only video. Okay, so as I had said, I'll be starting the NMAT series. So this is the first video to that NMAT course, and which I have named it as Target NMAT. Okay, so in this video I'll be sharing mainly the four main doubts that the students have. Okay, so before heading into the Target NMAT course, we have to know these four basic things. That is, the first one is like the exam we are preparing for and we are going to attempt, that is what is NMAT. So NMAT stands for National Medical Admission Test. This is same as NET. NMAT is basically an exam which is for the applicants who want to take admission into any med school in Philippines. You need to appear it, okay, and then we'll come into the passing of this. Okay, so the passing of this exam is 40 percentile, and this year only, like 1 year prior, the rules got changed and it was decided that you need 40 percentile to get in admission into any medical college in Philippines. Yeah, only excluding AMA. So now the question is, what if I don't get a 40 percentile and what if I don't pass? So the thing is, if you don't pass, if your agency is good, and after consulting the agency, what you can do is, after the completion of BS, when you have to get enrolled into MD, that is the point where you need NMAT certificate that you should have, in which you should have passed, that is more than 40 percentile. Okay, and 40 percentile is not 40%, it is 40 percentile. That means if 1 lakh students are giving the exam, you need to be in the top 60,000, that is 40 percentile. Okay, so I think the doubt should be cleared between 40 percentile and 40%. And if you don't clear, what you can do is, your agent will ask you to write a undersigned, in which you will write that in the next 4 years in the MD program I will clear NMAT, so that they can apply for a NOC from CHED. Okay, CHED is the conducting body in Philippines for NMAT exam. Okay, so after they get the NOC, you can get enrolled into MD. So it won't be a much hectic process, it's a much easy process. But the thing is, you need to clear NMAT, or else you'll face problems in future when you will get the degree from your institute. They might ask for your NMAT validity certificate that is more than 40 percentile. And then the next question is, how many attempts? Okay, like the obvious question is, how many times you can give NMAT? So the answer to this is, you can give as many as times 1, 2, 3, 4. But the two conditions are, you need to be enrolled in a med school in Philippines, and the time limit you are in Philippines up to MD 4th year you are in Philippines, so you can give NMAT, that is 8 times basically, or more than that also you can give. But basically you can clear it. Normally in our batch also the students cleared 70 to 80%, and some of them who have not cleared, they'll easily clear it. I think this time online they would have cleared, because online it's a very easy thing to clear. So now we'll come to the part, that is what can you expect from Target NMAT. Okay, like I'll be giving my 100% so that you can clear this NMAT easily. That is only for 40 percentile, which isn't a big thing, it's very easy to get. I'll be sharing the tips and tricks, and I'll also share the study strategy and all that stuff I'll share. Okay, and I'll also give you sample papers on daily, or in 2 or 3 days I'll be giving you 50 to 100 questions from paper 1, paper 2, inductive, qualitative, quantitative, biology, physics, chemistry, everything. In 2 to 3 days I'll be giving you questions in my WhatsApp group, and also I'll send you the answers after 1 to 2 days. Okay, and also I'll conduct live Zoom classes, because you might be having a lot of doubts. So in that I can clear all your doubts, and I can also let you know how to solve some questions. I'll also let you know about that. I'll be also giving you the notes that I had written, and I have some notes and review materials. I'll give you that also, and from the MSA books I'll be giving you questions. All I'll be giving you in the WhatsApp group. So stay tuned and join the WhatsApp group, so you be clear, and it's better you join that WhatsApp group, because all the updates I'll be giving in that group only. So you have to join that group for all the updates about NMAT. So this is it, and in the next videos I'll be discussing about NMAT paper 1, paper 2, how are the questions and the time duration and everything, how you'll give the online exam. And then after doing that video, from the next video the series will start. That is, in paper 1 there are 4 sections. I'll discuss all the sections, I'll give you questions, and from where the questions come I'll do that. So it will be a long series, so do stay tuned for that. This is how we are going to go through the total of NMAT series, that is Target NMAT. So I hope you liked the video. All the members who have joined, thank you for watching, and do stay tuned for other videos.